Hong Kong companies and offshore companies have their own advantages and disadvantages. An offshore company is one registered outside of Hong Kong and might be a tax haven country, such as BVI, Cayman Islands, or the Seychelles. It is important to understand the difference because it may be impossible to change the jurisdictions or very expensive to redomicile a company jurisdictions. These are the main differences between a Hong Kong company and an offshore company. Hong Kong has a good reputation because it is a well-renowned international financial center. Companies registered in tax havens are less trusted by parties, such as banks, your customers, or the government. In Hong Kong, all the company directors and shareholders must be made public, including their names, addresses, and passport numbers. For offshore companies, the information is highly confidential. It cannot be accessed by any party, for example, the bank or government. In Hong Kong, you must provide audited accounts and filing to the government with a tax return. You can opt to pay 16.5% profit tax or apply for offshore exemption. For offshore companies, there's no requirement for any accounting or tax filing. It is easier to open a bank account here and charges are less, but if you only have an offshore company, many banks won't accept your application. Some banks will, but charges are quite high. The setup cost is the same for the Hong Kong company as it is for an offshore company. The annual maintenance cost in Hong Kong is higher because you have to allow for the accounting and tax filing costs. For an offshore company, the annual maintenance cost is cheaper because there's no accounting and tax filing is not required. For more information, please contact us for free consultation. Thank you.